Alright, so it's the end of a Friday, and we just got our shipment from Skillard. Just came in. So Bree's opening all of her boxes now. So we'll flip the camera. We'll just kind of go with them. Watch your hands.
Yeah.
Come on.
There you go.
We have our little helper.
There you go. Alright. I'm gonna do the rest, okay?
Alright, let me help.
Oh, you can hold it now. Alright, let's see what we got.
Alright. So I think we can figure out what that is. That's the Skillard grill in black powder coat. Next part.
Definitely like them.
Now, why'd you choose to go with the raw aluminum finish versus black?
I felt like it would stand out a lot more and bring attention to it. Everything else in the whole car is going to be black, so I wanted a few accent pieces that really stood out.
Okay. So hopefully, couple bolts, brackets. Knife's right next to you.
Our little helper disappeared.
She's got better things to do apparently. Got some brackets, looks like. Nice Z logo. Now, if you're already following along, you'll see that we already ordered the xenon air dam. And we're complementing it with this.
Oh.
All the way at the bottom of all these pieces. We'll go back through the pieces are taken apart now. But I really want to get to the part that's on the bottom. This is how you know you're dealing with a quality company, is that they package everything really well. So they want you to get everything perfect shape. The 4-inch powder coated black front lip kit. So that's going to go underneath our air dam.
It's already stood the test of quality because we've all already stood on it.
Well, we lifted all these boxes, picking it up by the splitter, so it's definitely sturdy. Next part we have here, door cards, black powder coating. There's the other door, and then to finish off the back is the spare tire cover with the Z logo. They look really good. Is that everything?
And we ordered so much stuff, I don't remember.
That's true. Here's the order sheet. Let's see what we got. The shift boot bezel, I forgot about that. Spare tire cover, we got aluminum deck lid. And we got the heel plates, threshold plates, instrument panel undercover, I think that's what that is. And then the standard front grille and the splitter. Sweet. So I wanted to highlight one of the things, the reason there's a question mark there and it's scratched off from the tall grille to standard is because Skillard actually saw our post on Instagram about our front air dam being the Xenon style, and they reached out to confirm that we actually wanted the correct size front grille. Knowing that the standard grille was all we needed, they triple checked with us to make sure that we had all the correct parts for our build. And I really appreciated that. They didn't just take our money, send the parts, we get the wrong parts, and we have to hassle with sending them back and getting the right parts. They confirmed it from the get-go, and really enjoyed working with Ben and everybody from the Skillard team, being able to get the right parts the first time and actually being invested in their customers' builds. So highly recommend working with this company. Super easy to work with, and they're really looking out for their customers.
Definitely a lot of stuff.
Excited?
Yep. Happy with everything. Excited to actually open it and look at it more.
Yeah.
Especially this.
And find all the rest of the parts.
Yes. The more I keep opening,
I think everything in these boxes here. So the Z is currently at the paint and body shop, getting all the rust fixed, everything else taken care of. Found a couple more parts wrapped into here. Hand me that knife.
Yep.
These are what I really wanted to look at.
And this. If you, I don't know if you can see it, but
Got like a metallic,
yep.
it's like an etched finish. It's really nice.
I
Really high quality parts.
Yes.
We're really happy to have
thought this
this
was
company
painted
part of our build.
black, but it is not.
It's the powder, their powder coated black finish. So really happy that we went with those. Now where I am, Fair Lady Z engraved threshold plates. You want to unwrap them, or you want to keep them wrapped up?
I don't know.
I want to look at them, but I also
I know.
want to keep them nice.
Probably you should just keep them.
Keep them wrapped up.
Body shop like that.
We might put those on. We'll probably the instrument panel cover under the passenger side. Okay, you want to help me?
Yep.
This. Cut this off. Something else I think that is engraved.
A
Here.
little bit more.
There you go.
Yes. Same
So-
thing.
That is the rear deck lid plate.
Yeah.
Again with the Fair Lady Z engraving. So that's kind of going to be the theme. Is all Fair Lady Z badges kind of going to opt out of labeling it Datsun. Give it a little bit of a more unique feel. I'll upgrade things a little bit. We're going to leave the grill wrapped up and keep it nice.
Yeah.
But everything's going to match with all the logos. If somebody doesn't step all over them.
Over here.
And we're going to also replace all the badges and emblems around the car as well. So that's our parts spread for now.
Part of the reason why I love this so much is that they have the option of being able to do the same theme throughout.
Right.
So Fair Lady, the same Z.
You can pick Datsun as your engravings. You can pick blank spare tire covers.
Right.
Or you can have everything kind of set as the same theme with the Fair Lady Z logo.
Some companies, they offer only, some of it's Fair Lady, some of it's Datsun. They give you the option of both on almost everything they offer.
Yeah. So we're excited to get everything kind of cleared up, cleaned up.
Now I want the car back.
Yeah, we want the car back to put all that stuff on. So we look forward to getting it back from the body shop. We'll do a reveal of the color as soon as we get that back. So stay tuned for that as well.